And on WION's Health Pulse Summit, Union Minister Jitendra Singh spoke at length about the healthcare system of India. The Union Minister emphasized that how India is emerging as a preferred healthcare destination.
And today, the same country, the same nation, the same society, which was not taken seriously for its therapeutic healthcare practices, is today being hailed as a global leader in preventive healthcare. Mind you, not curative. Bimari na ho uske liye, we are now leading the world. We were the first to come out with the DNA vaccine in COVID, and then also offer it to 30 other countries. Now we have HPV vaccine, which is known to be effective in cervical cancers, more so common among females, and likewise. So I think there's a paradigm shift, not only where we stand, but also as the world looks up to us. Now gone are the days when you had you would recall the old timers that once upon a time, about 30 years back or 35 years, a place like Houston became very famous in India because any VIP had a heart attack, you would go to Houston for a bypass surgery. It's no longer so. Anything that is available, any part of the world is also available over here, and that too at a more cost-effective option. As a result of which, India is now emerging as a preferred healthcare destination for people from across the world. We think that our stakes are linked, our interests are linked. So that kind of awakening in the society is very important. And since we are opening up to these new options of technology, as I mentioned, AI and things, so we are still learning how best to use them optimally. And then I think AI-driven human intelligence is worse than human intelligence-led AI.